Investors can increase their chances of winning in the stock market by incorporating smart money concepts into their investment strategy. Smart money concepts refer to strategies and techniques used by institutional investors, hedge funds, and other sophisticated market participants to gain an edge in the market. One key smart money concept is following the trends and movements of institutional investors. Institutional investors often have access to resources and information that individual investors do not, and their actions in the market can provide valuable insights. By monitoring the buying and selling activities of institutional investors, individual investors can identify trends and patterns that may indicate potential opportunities or risks. By taking the time to research and analyze potential investments, investors can make more informed decisions and reduce their risk exposure. Diversification is a fundamental smart money concept that can help investors manage risk and enhance their overall returns.